How's it going, guys? Chris here at Hurricane Films. I'm here with Danny, and we're gonna teach you guys how to set off car alarms 101 right now, real quick. Listen up. All right, so every time I rev, this guy's car alarm goes off. Listen, 3, 2, 1. It's so stupid. Wow, that's clean.
That's just
50th anniversary Roadster, damn, dude. All right, quick Lambo edit for you guys. Let's go.
Wow, I literally just work here just to
Listen.
It's just a pain in the ass to get in there.
I know, it's so long. Oh my god.
Danny? Yeah. Damn, that Jeep is pretty clean too.
Dan Bilzerian, where you at, faggot?
Damn, look at this. Fuck. It's a Lamborghini. Let's go. Oh my days.
I wish I could do flip check.
Flip check. Did you get a picture?
Yeah.
This guy drove it from Massachusetts.
Add me on Snapchat.
Okay.
Danny A.E.E.
Danny A.E. This guy drove it from Massachusetts. Holy f.
I consider it a challenge before the whole human race. And I'm so empty and pimps me on a mission for them greens. Lean, bean, money making machines, service bean. I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honeys was wearing Sassoon, now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining, looking like I'm Rob Liberace. It's all good from Diego to the Bay. Your city is the bomb.
Alright, I should probably give you guys like a formal intro. We're actually not teaching you how to set off car alarms. We're going to the beach in like an hour. We're gonna go to his house, charge our phones, chill. I don't know, this guy wants to drink, I guess. I don't know, I'm not going to. Who's drink? Wait, what? Huh? I don't know. Let's go. Alright, before we go to this guy's house, we're gonna show you a quick little spot. Only a select few people might know this spot. It's called F1 Arton spot. Arton, if you're watching this,
It's for you.
you know where we're going right now.
This?
The F1 Arton spot right here. Look how clear this is, dude. Holy
recording?
shit.
Ow.
Extra Christian.
Hey, you know? Danny, you don't know where you get it from?
Christian? Since when do you make fucking virgin olive oil?
Yeah, I know. This last one.
Wow. Alright, we were here for like 10 minutes. It's already dark outside. We're going to the beach. I got back right.
Let me get right side.
No, right side's mine. Hell no. Damn, this car looks dope at night. Wow.
Don't you ask me where the pole at, where your clothes at. I ain't talking about my niggas down, but y'all tripping too. Here's the truth. Tell my nigga what the hell got into me. Oh, nobody be, I'm vibing on the beat. Honestly, I'm just trying to be. I just gotta be trying to get over on anything. They telling lies to me. I spent 5 on my pink ring. She love my diamond ring.
What you primitive, this is my life and I'm living it, but it's shocking to see the
Put
state
50K,
so ignorant that I can't relate.
Or
Not
hard in the
connect-
paint. I'll put
Look out of the picture. What is that?
Are you satisfied now?
Make money!
Alright guys, MTV Cribs here. I'm in my new garage. Let me come through. Alright, here's Christian. Come here. Here's Face Christian. What's up, Face Christian? We out here bowling. We're just out in the sunroof, you know, we're just chilling. What's up, G?
Stop, that's so messed up. So sick. Hey, what did you say? Stop. What did you say to her?
So sexy.
Oh my god. Oh my.
He was yelling that back there. Oh my god.
Wait up. I can't breathe. Christian just yelled something stupid as fuck. That might have been a little bit racist.
Well, that guy's sleeping over.
When that one person likes all of your tweets are right there. True homie, let's go.
Hey, can we go eat?
Wow! Oh my god, there is.
This is a wolf.
Alright, we're going to the end of the pier because there's like some water.
Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. There's water.
Water. Yeah, you're scared now? Look at that. What's down there?
Oh!
You guys take cars? Yeah. Alright guys, it's homecoming tonight and there's a bunch of girls in like tight-ass dresses and these guys are like drooling right now. What do you think of all these girls, Christian?
She's scared. She's like, oh my god, my ass was out. I'm like, it's okay. It's okay. I would've fucked the living shit out of
Alright.
so hard.
Come on. Dude, stop. I don't know where we're going. We're leaving Santa Monica. Danny's house, mall, I don't know.
No mall. Oh, let's go.
Alright guys, I somehow just ended up at home in my car. And yeah, that pretty much ends today. We didn't really do anything productive. We just like had fun, messed around, you know. Same thing we do on this channel, but tomorrow it's Supercar Sunday. I'm gonna try to get like a cool little edit for you guys. So stick around for that. Thanks for all the support. Leave a like on this video. Don't forget that, okay? If you forget, then thanks for watching. See you next time. I'm just fucking with you guys. Thanks for all the support. Leave a like if you want to, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out. Boom.